into emotional wonder. Our planet, human beings are superheroes in history, overcome hardships because we are creative, learn so much from creative mind. Human beings can do anything. We are inspired by miracles in nature. Today, we invite you to behold some of the magical creation. Things that are beyond incredible. Let us meet mind in the water. Welcome, dolphins.
Welcome everyone. We absolutely love the dolphins. All our dolphins here at Sea World are over 20 years old, yet they remain fit and strong. Would you like to see these two dolphins jump? Yes! President Velosi, take it away. for and eats fish. Now if you take a look at the big screen, you'll see a family of dolphins hunting and searching for fish.
Yes.
But dolphins do not only hunt under the water. They need to come up to the surface to observe and see where they can find fish. Now these two incredible dolphins are going to do a few behaviors dolphins do when they're out in the wild hunting. Take it away, boys.
Behave. Right, take it away, guys. Guys, yo, gents, yo. Wow! Hamba, itu memang hamba. Enggak, aku komet kalimat kuping kaki. Kotet. Sini YouTube like this. Apa itu? Kayak film-film. Kecil.
Thank you so much, Quincy. That was super fast and graceful indeed. Dolphins have their own language. They even have names for each other, just like we do. The scientists call these names signature whistles. Now we have worked together with the scientists to identify each and every dolphin in our family with their own unique signature whistle, and we will play it as we introduce them. Say hello first. He is the Prince Charming of uShaka Sea World. His name is Kwezi, already 30 years old. In Dolphinese, this is what his name sounds like.
Crazy.
Come on everyone, let's put our hands together for the charming Kwezi. And saying hello next up is Kwezi's younger brother. His name is Ingelosi. He is 21 years old.
He is 21.
In his language, this is what his name sounds like.
Ingelos.
An absolute angel, just like his name. Let's make some noise.
Make some noise for Ingelos.
Now Kwezi and Ingelosi are going to continue having fun, playing with some of their favorite toys and with the trainers. So guys, take it away.
There's a time for us to let go. There's a time for holding on. Time to speak, time to listen. There's a time for us to go. Time to scream, time to silence. Time to tremble.
Oh, the ball is spelling waiting on the dolphins. Yes! Yes!
Wow, Kwezi and Ingelosi have been absolutely incredible out here this morning. Can we please put our hands together one more time for these great dolphins? Wow, everyone, our incredible dolphins, Kwezi and Ingelosi, have just left. But do not worry, more dolphins will be out to see you shortly. For the meantime, I'd like to hand over to my colleague Zama. Zama.
Thank you so much, Lindo. Audience, I'm still having fun. Fantastic. So I am back right now and I need my 4 superheroes that were chosen at the beginning of the show. Where are my 4 superheroes that have cards?
Let's take a picture.
Please make your way down to my colleague over there, Sam. And while we are waiting for our superheroes to make their way to the stand, I would like to have some fun with you guys. So we are going to play a game. It's a quiz. I'm going to show you an animal on the big screen and you're going to tell me what animal it is. So right now we have an animal. It is a penguin, correct?
It's a penguin.
What kind of penguin is it? African penguin, correct. And unfortunately right now they are critically endangered, which means their numbers are so low, they are decreasing. The African penguin are dying. And we need to do something because if we don't do anything about that, they could go extinct in 9 years. So by 2035, they could be gone for good. Okay. And then next up, I have another animal. It is a whale. You guys are geniuses. But what kind of whale is it? A blue whale.
A blue whale.
Animal on the planet.
From biggest animal on the planet.
They are very big for sure.
Yes.
So they go up to
So they
30 meters long. Over 30 meters long. Do you guys know how long 30 meters is? Can I show you guys? So let's say the head of the blue whale is right here, next to me. The tail is going to be all the way up to my colleague Sam over there. Do you guys see Sam? So that's how long a blue whale is. And they also have very big hearts. Their hearts are as big as a motor car. So animals with such big hearts, it means they deserve all the love that we can give them. So please do. And then for the next one, I'm going to ask you guys to just close your eyes and listen to the sound. You're going to tell me what animal makes that sound. So close your eyes and listen carefully. So guys, any guesses? What animal was that? It was a whale. Correct.
It was a whale.
But what kind of whale was it? Try again. You know what? I'm going to give you guys a clue. So it's going to be on the screen. What kind of whale is that? A humpback whale.
Yeah.
humpback whales. And then I have one last animal that I'm going to show you on the screen. This one. It is a dolphin. Wow, this one was too easy. What kind of dolphin is it? Bottlenose. Very, very close. Here at Sea World we have bottlenose dolphins. So try again. Hey, let me give you guys a clue. So this one has a hump on its back. So what kind of dolphin is it? It is a humpback dolphin.
A humpback
And most people do not
dolphin.
know about this dolphin, and we do have them on our South African coastline. But unfortunately, only less than 500 are left. All of you guys sitting here in the stadium right now are way over 500. So 500 is a very small number. So we really need to do something to save these animals. But lucky for us, we have our 4 superheroes. So our 4 superheroes are going to make a promise as to what they are going to do to save our planet and also saving these animals. So 4 superheroes, it is your time to shine. Please make your way to me. What is your name and what is your promise?
My name is Olivera Rondo, and I promise to tell my friends back at home to eat less. My name is Aria Kristen, and I promise to pick up litter.
My name is Christina, and
I'm Maria Fanikak, and I'm a teacher, so I will teach the children at our school to not litter and to care for our environment.
Yes.
Thank you very much, superheroes. Those promises were absolutely amazing. Can you please give them a huge round of applause? So now that our superheroes have met their promises, I think this calls for a huge celebration. So audience, please put your hands together and make some noise for the Sea World Dolphins.
Wow, what an amazing entrance from our 3 incredible dolphins. And I'd like to take this opportunity and introduce them to you all. Say hello first. She is uShaka SeaWorld's granddaughter. Her name is Kanya. She is 32 years old. In her language, this is what her name sounds like. An absolute superstar. Let's give it up for Kanya. Say hello next up. This dolphin right here in the middle is 27 years old. Her name is Zulu. In Dolphinese, this is what her name sounds like. Super smart and full of life. Let's make some noise for Zulu. And lastly, but certainly not the least, this dolphin right next to Zulu is 31 years old. She's very bold, very beautiful. Her name is Africa. This is what her name sounds like. Yes, everyone, let's make some noise for Africa! Thank you so much. Our lovely dolphins have joined us. My superheroes down there look like they are ready. I think it's time we get this party started. What do you think, dolphins? No! Why not, guys? Well done, ladies. Thank you so much for sharing that with all of us. But audience, did you understand what they were saying? No. I'm also a little bit lost. You know what? Let's ask AI to translate for us. Hashtag ocean action. Okay, Kanya. What do you guys actually mean by that? What does hashtag ocean action actually mean? Looking out for one another. You see, everyone, what the Sea World Dolphins were saying is that ocean action that we need to take is to make sure that plastic pollution and litter does not belong in the oceans or in the pools. We need to pick it up and make sure it ends up where it belongs, in the rubbish bin. Thank you so much, dolphins. That was absolutely amazing. Now I think it's time that we celebrate. What do you think, guys? Fantastic! Alright, dolphins, let's see your dance moves. Wow, four superheroes down there have been heating up that dance floor. I think it's time the dolphins got them wet. What do you guys think? Alright, dolphins, let's splash them. Wow, superheroes were absolutely amazing down there, and they were so. Can you please send them up to their seats with a huge round of applause? These dolphins are amazing, they are incredible, and they inspire us. Now these dolphins are going to continue to celebrate the oceans. Let's all just have fun watching them.
Yes.
nezangaleva.
It's time for Africa.
This time for Africa! Yes, the dolphin is running, yes! Check the dolphins!
Wow, these 3 dolphins have done an amazing job celebrating our oceans. Can we please give them a massive round of applause? It has truly been a pleasure sharing all these dolphins with you all out here today. Now we kindly ask that you all remain seated while the dolphins exit, and if you have any litter on you, please pick it up and throw it outside in the rubbish bin on your way out. From all of us here at Sea World, including the amazing